when I got accepted to Temple University, it was in the accounting program. That's why they let me in. I didn't have all the requirements. So the first year I took accounting and a part of the second year. But during the first year, there was an English class that I took, and the professor read an essay. It was the Apology by Plato. And I had never heard anything in my life like that. And after class, I said, "What is that you were reading?" He said, "It was Plato, is a philosopher." What? I said, "What is a philosopher?" And he said, "Oh, they talk about big questions, life, death, the meaning." I said, "Is there more books like that?" He said, "Yes." He said, "Go look into the philosophy." Well, I went to the library, and I also discovered there was a word psychology that I never heard of before, and that there were books written about that. I couldn't get enough of it. So I asked if I could change I didn't want to do any more accounting. This is after a year and a half. I would like to change my major. They said, "You can't do it." "What major do you want?" I said, "I want to major in English." They said, "You don't have the proper academic credits, but maybe if you majored in education with an English major, that might work. We would let you major, you would become an education major, but would have an English minor or something like that." Well, that's what I did. I didn't want to know anything about teaching or to be in education. I just wanted to have those literature courses and also become a music minor because I was playing piano in bands at the time. And so they let me in, and I fell in love with the education courses and had wonderful experiences there getting my master's degree in education.